do we have here today? What do we have today? We have the aosu SolarCam P1 SE System. This is the one that's powered by solar, of course. 2K resolution cameras. They can be as pack of 4. This is a pack of 2, and they bring with them enormous storage, enormous flexibility, motion tracking, synchronization, one single view with cameras and things. Also the home base looking pretty good. The P1 SE system started off to be an Amazon exclusive, but it's now available on the aosu Life website as well. So go check it out, and don't forget to use the code MyNextBest to get flat 15% off. Just also, there's Black Friday sale going on.
Wow.
So it's not going to be lasting too long. You have to buy this now because it's rock bottom price at the moment. For everything that you buy on aosu, you get flat 15% off on top of the price that you see on the aosu Life website. So just go check it out, and any questions, queries, reach out to us. Black Friday sale, this is the best time, and you need to make sure that you buy what you need to buy right now. You're going to get flat 35% off on the Black Friday sale. All you need to do is you need to get to the website aosulife.com. Look at the prices, they are rock bottom at the moment, 35% off. Buy whatever you need to buy, put everything in your cart, and at the time of checkout, you'll get an option to add a discount code. So all you need to do is put the discount code MyNextBest, and you get a flat 15% off on top of the Black Friday sale. Isn't that amazing? It is definitely the best discount that you can get at the moment for anything you buy from aosu. This is the best discount that money can buy. So don't waste your time, just go straight, do what you need to do, and yeah, enjoy the benefit. Hopefully that helps you get some discount, some bargain from your next home security purchase. Okay, with that, I'm going to start this video to give you a brief overview about the SolarCam P1 SE system and the SolarCam D1 Classic, which is the best-selling product that aosu have released for as far back the history goes. So the D1 Classic is perfect. The aosu P1 SE system is amazing. There's Floodlight Cam, there's the D1 SE system, there's the baby monitors. There's a lot of items that are available on the website. So depending on your preferences, your circumstances, you should go on and have a look. Most of the EU countries have this available, as well as the United States, Canada as well. So have a look. Just buy what you need to buy. We have all the links available in the description of all the products that are available that we have actually reviewed. We have reviewed quite a few of them, so you should get the idea. The one of all time that stood out from our perspective was the Doorbell Ultra, which was the 4K video resolution, and it was pretty good. It did have its own little home base, and the video resolution just did stand out of everything else. It was really good. Motion tracking was good, you know, the detection and that kind of stuff was pretty good. Notifications were good. The voice response and kind of the two-way talking and stuff was pretty good, and everything was damn good. And these are also pretty good as well. We have reviewed these recently. We have reviewed the baby monitor, we have reviewed the Floodlight Cam Pro, we have done the SE D1 Max. Quite a few of these we have reviewed. Go check out all the links that we have, and any questions, queries, anything at all, reach out to us. As we mentioned, Black Friday sale is on. Just make use of it while the sale's on. It won't be on for a long time, so make the most of it while it's on. And with that, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers, and be well.